I know, I'm just reaching office. I got the message from Bhavin in the morning. Feels like a complete chaos, but I'm just reaching office, so let's discuss. ठीक है, I'll call you back in 5.
Hello.
हाँ Tarana, tell me what are the updates?
Shamika, there are a few problems that have come up. So number one is with Imbalance Mini. Although the ship had already sailed, they've unloaded our stocks. So currently we're trying to locate where the shipment has been offloaded.
What the hell? We don't even know where it's been offloaded.
No. Even for Embrace, since the ports in Guangzhou are backlogged, they're completely choked.
Acha.
And there are no ships leaving for new stuff from there.
Okay.
So we have to move that stock from Guangzhou to Shenzhen, and then that is from where it will sail.
Okay.
So that is also another delay of 5 to 7 days just to get on the ship in Shenzhen. And there's more.
Tarana, let me start my day.
Magnets बहुत ज़्यादा expensive हो गए हैं.
But we've already released the PO.
Even so, she needs to revise the price.
Jesus. So everything that was aligned for launch for
Yes.
from April onwards is like pushed ahead by 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Every week this month has been like some combustion you start the day with.
We only have 1600 balance right now. एक वेल हाँ सेल में 3500-4000 चाहिए, हमारे पास सिर्फ 2300 रहेंगे सेल के पहले, अगर आप अप्रैल मई तक नहीं ला के देते इसको हाँ बल्कि के साथ ये भी एक तीर से 2 निशान यहाँ भी 10,000 बाय सिर्फ मेरे को अक्टूबर में चलेगा 10,000 6 मंथ बाय मई By May 2026, I can. You said I am not. But you can. Just do it. Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
अगले हफ्ते में रीना मेरे को बल्क ट्रांसफर का बताएगी. अगर उसने वो कर दिया तो मैं आपको मार्च अप्रैल में आराम से दे दूँगी.
But like whenever too many crisis points like this happen in one go, like my immediate knee-jerk or like reflex reaction is to be very calm for the team to feel like nothing is out of bounds.
Is to do the sale or not to do the sale, because we have no inventory. To do a sale, justifier. And our trade-off is we do the sale and then face a stock out for 10-15 days, or we don't do the sale and keep the stock till the new stock comes, but we lose out on customer acquisition. Key SKUs no stock, IMD no stock, Hustle no stock, Unkissed no stock. जिस पे ब्रांड सरवाइव कर रही है वो स्टॉक नहीं. बट यू नो लाइक करना है तो अच्छे से करना है, नहीं तो वो मजा नहीं आएगा. अच्छे से करेंगे.
See, two factors determine your supply of inventory and stock. One is the demand for the brand, and the other is the availability of the stock. Now, when both factors go against you, that's when a problem happens. Something that is characteristically different for Due versus a lot of other D2C brands in skincare and beauty itself is that our entire supply chain is overseas, and each year the different geopolitical situations impact a lot of these factors in our supply chain timelines. Like this year, we did not expect a situation of war, specifically like ocean shipments getting extremely congested because of, you know, the Strait of Hormuz and the situation in Iran. That directly impacted raw material prices, that directly impacted simply the timeline of our vessel being in the ocean and reaching us. These were none of things that we could predict.
नायका के लिए आई थिंक वी आर कवर्ड फॉर अप्रैल, बट मे में उनका सेल है, सो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू fulfill sale level का inventory.
नहीं, we cannot fulfill any of the existing PO for the retailers.
क्यों ऐसे?
Because we also have a sale that we need to do in April, but we are not able to do that because we have the inventory problem that we are facing as well.
नायका की अगर हम सेल मिस कर रहे हैं, ओवरऑल हमारे लिए रेवेन्यू बहुत बड़ा हिट है, और अगर हम ये सेल मिस करेंगे, अभी हमारा JBP का डिस्कशन भी है उनके साथ, तो दे विल नॉट प्रायोरिटाइज अस फॉर द फुल ईयर, एंड हमने नायका पे कितना कुछ लॉन्च करना है इस ईयर.
So what we can do is थोड़ा सा PO फुलफिल करता है, जस्ट लाइक यू सेड 60% at max. That too at limited discounts. We will not be able to give more than 10% discount, especially on IMD, since that is our hero SKU.
May is also a month when Nykaa has its P0 sale. We don't have Hustle and we don't have Unkissed in stock at all. So of course it's going to hit the growth. You know, over 5 years, Due has very consciously built a strategy and a perception and an image for the brand that we're not a constant discounting brand, but we do our key strategic marquee sales, 2 sales a year. So a lot of them also wait to stock up in these 2 times because that's when they get the best price on the products, they get the best offers, they get gifts, etc, etc.
We were discussing 2 options with Shamika. First was going on sale right now with whatever inventory we have. Second option was that we try to airlift as much stock as possible and then go on sale whenever we have the inventory with us.
ओल्ड स्टॉक चल रहा है तेरा, तो मे में सेल अगर करेगी, we will sell the old stock. After the sale, we might still be left with like those 500, 600 units of old stock.
Yeah.
And you'd also be at the fringe where you have to launch a new upgraded packaging for 3 products. Then the people that buy the old one, they'll be like, अरे हमको तो नया चाहिए. Whereas you give clean 10-15 days stock ही नहीं है हमारे पास.
But this is a very fine line, Arushi Tarana.
We use this well. We communicate this well, guys. Second condition is that we actually use it well. Social, brand, whatever.
Yeah.
That needs to be done very, very fine tuned. That is the second condition.
Correct. ठीक है, तो मैं कर दूँ. चलो तुम लोग मेरे रूम में आओ नए टाइमलाइंस के साथ. New timelines. Loading.
Sales is basically new customer acquisition strategy basically, and we believe that we need to build a strong full priced consumer behavior rather than giving sales on discount unlike other brands do.
I think we kind of at a good place where we can figure a good pattern and then have sort of a fixed predictable situation, taking into account that all of these things are going to happen because the world is getting crazy.
That lasts
In the
3 days.
no, so 8 बीच में they went out of stock. 18 की they received stock again. 18 के बाद से again they the 112, 123 sort of numbers.
We are going to move between September and first 15 days of October. We need 5k units for then. And I anticipate that we are going to close this month around 3,000 units to the road.
It was not like a viral spike and then things stabilized. It just changed our baseline. We've never gone back to changing our baseline from that year. I think with virality that is not predicted or something that you don't generate, of course it's a win and it's a great milestone that gets etched in your brand's history, but the downside is you're not prepared for it at all. Even keeping the virality and the increased growth in front of us, we were still very cautiously or conservatively projecting the forward-looking months.
Absolutely.
Right?
For BAU, we are fine.
Yeah, for BAU.
I am worried कि मतलब sale के लिए तो obviously we're not fine, but then do we even do the sale then? Yeah, because the air fuel charges are so high right now. तो airlift करने के लिए stock it's and otherwise it's 4 rupees. I see. That's like a massive.
10x.
Yeah.
The high.
सिर्फ embrace की पतली सीढ़ियों का 39 रुपीस.
हाँ, IMD का तो बहुत होगा 60 रुपीस तक जा सकता है. My point is एक बार Nykaa and सारे retailers का सेल हो गया, उसके बाद हम सेल करने में
Correct.
we will get lesser.
And July both have freeze, no?
Yeah, Amazon also.
3 Amazon, Tira and
But the
and
problem
anyways
is
even
also-
for those sales हमको stock तो
चाहिए।
देना पड़ेगा which we have
वो
to
तो आ ही
service in
जाएगा
June.
जून एंड और जुलाई तक तो आ ही जाएगा ना, उसमें नहीं तो उनके लिए तो अगर
देख बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो 25th तक स्टॉक आ जाएगा एंड वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो तो पता ही नहीं है क्या है.
अगर रिटेलर को सर्विस करने की बात हम करें, लगा लो 20 to 25 जून के बीच में हमें डिस्पैच करना है, यही नहीं 25 मैक्स 25 को लगा लो अगर डिस्पैच करना है, तो हमें सिर्फ उसके लिए क्वांटिटी पहले चाहिए। जो सेल में हम अपनी सेल के लिए करेंगे वो तो हमारी वैसे भी एंड ऑफ जून तक आ ही रही है।
नहीं विधिते, वही तो मैं तेरे को बोल रही हूँ, हमारा सेल जाएगा लाइव 25th को, तो तेरे को सर्विस टेक्निक, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, यू हैव टू अकाउंट फॉर तेरा जुलाई का जो टोटल रेवेन्यू, योर टारगेट यूनिट, दैट स्टॉक एंटायर you need by 25th June in warehouse, which in no situation we are going to be able to do.
कम से कम हम एक चीज अचीव तो करें, सेल तो करें कम से कम। हम ये डर रहे हैं कि 25 को नहीं आया तो हम सेल कब करेंगे? सेल पहले कर लो आप, तब कम से कम डर ये रहेगा।
और रिटेलर का सेल हमारे हाथ में ना, 3 दिन का करना है, 5 दिन का करना है।
ठीक है,
3000 अनगिस से हो जाएगा मतलब,
थोड़ा सा चेक कर लीजिए
क्योंकि 3200 बताया ना उसमें, 3200 निकला है।
हाँ, आधा MD हम ला रहे एयरलिफ्ट से, क्या पॉइंट है हमारे सप्लाई चेन इम्प्रूव करें।
What my learning lesson was that you as a founder know your business the best. No matter who says what, you will know what will move in the market because you know how demand generation and creation works for your brand. Stick by that instinct.
Shamika, Sanchi just showed me this DM. They're basically asking about IMD, that IMD was manufactured in March and they have like an issue with that.
March
How do I
2025.
So how do I respond?
So what's the
to
problem?
that? They're saying that it's 2026, it's expiring soon.
No, it has 3 years shelf life. There are 2.5 years more of shelf life left. We'll have to explain to them that why 2025 manufacturing is not a problem. It has 3 years of shelf life left, etc. ठीक है, मैं साजी से बात करती हूँ.
Thank you.
Thank you. So recently, I've been observing this trend or this expectation with consumers that they want really like fresh stock, like they want stock that is manufactured like not more than 2-3 months before. That's not how the back end of a beauty industry and beauty manufacturing works. Cosmetics are not formulated to stay fresh for 6 months or 3 months or 4 months. If there is a certain shelf life on the product, the formulas are made to stay absolutely robust, perfect in efficacy till the very last date. Coming to our situation, we also take very preventive measures, and we also are very careful in how we store our products. That ensures the shelf life is intact, that ensures the efficacy of the product is intact till the last date of the shelf life.
Let's do 20th June or whatever that week sale, okay? And we do 1st June Embrace launch, the 1st week of June and 3rd week of June. Or you want to optimize thing even better, you do last week of June, so that salary.
You can start from the 26th, which is a Friday, and let it go into the salary week, basically.
We won't have to worry about stock at all. We won't have to worry about Embrace. We won't have to worry about pre-buzz of sale, which also we need to at least.
Yes. So what we can start doing is if 26 here, right?
Yeah.
This is, then we start pre-buzz from here. Okay, so we're giving time sales coming. Okay,
22nd.
and by this time to this time, we would have created top funnel.
So by June, we will be in a position where we will have stock for most of our products back on track, except Imbalance and except Unkissed. Unkissed will perhaps come by mid-June. So वो थोड़ा cut थोड़ा, but July से I'm hopeful nothing should be in a problem zone again. We have to think a little backwards, forwards. It's a dance of the dragons all the time. Delays and timelines, you have to roll with it. You have to come up with ways to make better of the situation. This happened, and this is how the brand started. The brand started with a bang 7 months delay because pandemic came in the middle. We rolled with the punches. We started an account to start creating audience. That was our first. So that's kind of inherently built into the brand's DNA. So make hay while the sun shines, and take the bad and turn it into good. But delay in timelines and little fluctuating dynamic supply chain timelines is something, and as an agile, fast growing startup, you have to be okay with, and you have to have the muscle to learn to make do with those situations.